6. Baked potatoes. To make baked potatoes, you will need potatoes, olive oil, sale, aromatic herbs, optional. Here are the steps to make baked potatoes. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Wash the potatoes under running water and dry them well. Cut the potatoes into slices about half a centimeter thick. Place the potatoes in a bowl and drizzle with a little olive oil, salt and herbs if desired. Stir well to ensure the potatoes are well seasoned. Place the potatoes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until golden brown and soft. Serve hot. Enjoy your meal. Here are some useful tips for preparing baked potatoes. Choose potatoes of similar size so they cook evenly. Cut the potatoes into slices of uniform thickness to ensure even cooking. Drizzle the potatoes generously with olive oil and salt before baking to give them a flavorful, golden crust. If you want to add a touch of extra flavor, you can sprinkle the potatoes with chopped herbs such as thyme, rosemary, or chives before baking them. Check the cooking of the potatoes with a fork. If the fork goes in easily, the potatoes are ready. Baked potatoes are great on their own, but you can also serve them with a sauce or dressing of your choice. Try serving them with a yogurt dip or garlic dip for an extra kick of flavor.